Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another video. This time is gonna be an unboxing for a subscription box, and I got today the Glossy Box for May. This time we have a different box. It's not the regular pink box. We have a bright yellow one with the pink print. It says here eat, sleep, travel, repeat. That sounds good to me. I think for you also. Here is the box for May. Looks pretty different than the regular one, and we have those the logo for Glossy Box in pink on this box. First thing, here is the box inside. This time we got a yellow bow, and we have a card. What's inside? It's about John Masters Organics. I don't know if this one is a coupon or it says evening primrose shampoo for dry hair and lavender and avocado intensive conditioner. So this is the first card, and let's open this. Here is the card that comes usually with the products inside. We have another card in here, an advertiser probably, and the paper is really cute this time. We have a map here, probably is the word map, really pretty. And let's see what we have inside the box. Here is the box inside. We have a couple items in here and I'm gonna check them out. First thing that came in my hand was this, which has the Arizona writing, and this one is Proenza Schuller, if I'm saying right, Arizona Proenza Schuller, and it seems like this one is a perfume. Cute size. Let's see how this one looks. Pretty cute. Right now I cannot feel anything because I just sprayed some perfume on me, and it's a mix of fragrances. I cannot tell you anything about this one, but I will in another video. We have then from Larizil, I never know how to pronounce this. Anyway, is this brand, and this one is Shade Sticks. It's a bronzer, I believe. Let's look in the card. So the Arizona one in a full size, ooh, it's $100. I'm not surprising that they gave us this tiny mini. A full size of this in 1.7 ounce, not even 3.3. It's $100. From the Storage Fashion House comes a truly transportive scent. Just a few spritzes of this innovative blend of white cactus flower and creamy orris brings to mind expensive landscapes, adobe sunsets, and soft mountain tops. Okay, I'm trying to open this one, and this one is Shade Stick in Aloha. A full size of this one is $24. Glow on Glossy. This buildable cream formula gives off the perfect sun-kissed glow regardless of how bright it is. Simply swipe when you want some radiance, blend with fingers, and you'll be a silky smooth bronze goodness in no time. So the color of this one looks like this, quite dark. Is this shade, and it does blend very well. When you blend this, it's a really pretty bronze. So I like this one. As I said, this one is $24 in a full size, which is 0.3 ounce, and this one is 0.3. So this one is a full size, which is $24. And covers already the box just with this product. Then we have in here from DHC. It's deep cleansing oil, a product well known, probably not a favorite of mine. And this one is deep cleansing oil. A full size of this is $28, and the full size has 6.7 ounces. This Japanese beauty cult favorite facial cleanser, which stars olive oil, promises to melt away makeup including waterproof mascara and impurities alike, while delivering protective antioxidant strays to where you need them most. So I remember I tried this one a long time ago and I wasn't a fan of this. I will try this one again, maybe I'll change my mind. And that one, as I said, was $28 in a full size. Then I have from Tarte, this is Tarte Yes Brow Gel. Is this one in a full size, it's $19 and it's 0.16 ounces. And this one is a full size, and this one alone it's $19, as I said. Maintain your brows and underlying products with Tarte's Genius Gel. A paraben-free water-infused formula means no drying, no flaking, and a natural clean finish with just a few quick strokes. So here is the tiniest spoolie that I ever got in boxes, but I like this one. And I'm glad I got this one because the one I'm using right now is just like a gel and it's nasty. Anyway, glad to have this one on hand and throw the other one. Then we have a duo here, and probably those two are the last products in the box. Those are John Masters Organics, and we have the shampoo and the conditioner here. I heard about the brand, I didn't try it. Here is the shampoo and here is the conditioner. I like when they come in different colors, because many times I'm grabbing the same thing. Anyway, this is all, and the John Masters Organics, it says evening primrose shampoo for dry hair and lavender and avocado intensive conditioner, a full size of each one. The shampoo in full size it's 8 ounce and it's $16, and the conditioner it's $22 in 7 ounce. So bring dry tired hair back to life with this nurturing botanical blends. It's a primrose oil, soothing lavender and conditioning avocado oil, which will leave hair shiny and renewed. Okay, we believe those two. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in this box, considering this one separate us in account. Shampoo and conditioner the same size that we get always in boxes. The face cleanser from DHC. We have the Tarte Yes Gel Brow. We have this perfume which is called Arizona. Okay, and we have, and I think that's all, we have the shade sticks, the bronzer. So far I think it's a good box. We got new products this time. I didn't see those products in other boxes, because what I remarked, having many subscriptions for a long time, I remarked that usually subscription boxes are kind of bringing the same items, and I saw that many times in boxes. So far I didn't see those products in other boxes this month, but it's true, I think this is the first subscription box that comes. We'll see later in other boxes. As I said, I like this month box. If would be to choose a product from this one, to have a favorite product, I think I will go with the Tarte Yes Brow Gel, probably just because I need it. So this is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the new box and the paper that they have, and also about the product. This is a cute paper with the word map. Nice to have a change. and also the bright yellow. It's a very summery color. So like the box, you let me know what do you think. I'll see you guys pretty soon with another video. I have filmed so many videos that I don't know which one is gonna come out first. We'll see. Here is the box, glossy box for May. See you guys soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.